Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by verifying your Howdy installation and system state before making changes. Run Howdy version to note the installed release. Then run systemtl status Howdy. Service to verify it is active. Check kernel modules with elsemod for any missing webcam drivers. List available cameras using v4l2ctl list devices to confirm device nodes exist. Open the Howdy log at /var/log/Howdy. Log and scan for error or warn entries. Save and copy relevant log lines for later troubleshooting steps. If logs show camera or permission issues, reinstall Howdy using pip3 install upgrade Howdy. Ensure file permissions are correct on /lib/security/Howdy. So, and on config files. Edit /etc. /Howdy/config. Ini to set threshold to 0, 60, and retries to 3 for stable recognition. Confirm the camera can be read by adding your user to the video group with sudo usermod a gvideo Ethan Lamar. Restart Howdy with sudo systemtl restart Howdy. Service and test a login attempt immediately after reboot. For persistent issues, run Howdy test camera 0 to validate face capture and note latency. If the test fails, check for Wayland conflicts and consider switching to Zorg at the login screen. Alternatively, set Howdy Wayland equals 0 in your shell profile to force compatibility. Collect detailed logs using journoctl uhowdy. Service since 1 hour ago and include output when seeking help. If necessary, remove and re-enroll faces with sudo howdy. Remove followed by sudo howdy add to rebuild templates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.